In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the background color of a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a quick, beginner-friendly tweak that can make your presentation look more polished and tailored to your style. First, make sure you're working on the slide you want to customize. Click directly on that slide in the main editing area, so it's selected. You'll usually see a faint highlight around the slide thumbnail on the left as well, which confirms you're on the right one. With the slide active, right-click anywhere on a blank area of the slide. Try to avoid right-clicking on text or images, and choose Format Background from the menu. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen, and that's where all the background options live. Inside the Format Background panel, choose Solid Fill. This is the simplest and most reliable way to set a clean, consistent background. As soon as you select Solid Fill, you'll see color choices appear. Click the color box to open the palette and pick the shade you want. You'll notice the slide updates instantly, so you can preview how each color looks without committing to it. If your presentation includes charts, photos, or text, consider contrast and readability as you choose. Light text stands out best on darker backgrounds, and dark text is easier to read on lighter ones. If something looks off, don't worry. Just try another color or press undo to revert. You can repeat these exact steps for any other slide you want to customize. This is great if you'd like different sections of your presentation to have their own look, or if you're highlighting a special slide like a title or conclusion. If you prefer a more unified feel, simply use the same color on each slide by repeating the process. A couple of quick tips as you go. Make sure you're right-clicking on the slide background itself, not on an object, so the correct menu appears. And if you're presenting on a projector or a different monitor, test your chosen color briefly to ensure it stays readable in that environment. And that's it. Changing the background color in PowerPoint is truly just a few clicks. If this walkthrough helped you, please leave a comment and let me know how your presentation turned out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.